A bottle of pumpkin spice syrup typically costs somewhere between $10 and $18. Starbucks no longer sells their pumpkin spice syrup, and brands which have created their own products like Torani and Da Vinci do not have real pumpkin in them. And they cost what? Around $15 and $20. This is why sometimes homemade is best, and that is why we shall learn how to make pumpkin spice syrup recipe that actually has real pumpkin. This pumpkin syrup recipe is so easy to make, and you don't have to step into coffee shops when you need that pumpkin spice latte. I am Elizabeth, and if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to Alchemy. Let's take a cup of water. We then add 85 grams of brown sugar. The original recipe calls for refined white sugar and brown sugar, but skipping the white sugar and replacing that with 45 grams of jaggery and 20 grams of coconut sugar gives it a darker tone without adding any artificial colors. We then add 1 teaspoon vanilla and then 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice. Now check out the description box if you want to know how to make pumpkin spice powder. It's okay to also use store-bought powder here. Now mix them well and bring it to the stovetop. We are going to heat this up until the sugars dissolve. Once that's done, add in the pumpkin puree. Keep the flame at low and stir it. You don't have to boil this syrup as it's already cooked puree. If you have been enjoying my videos so far, I would really appreciate if you could click on that like button and comment as to from which country are you watching this video from. And do you rub pumpkins? Once it's all incorporated, take it off flame and filter through a sieve. This is just to remove any impurities in the sugars. Once the syrup is cool, you could transfer this to a bottle and use it in your coffee or pancakes or chai. Just replace your maple syrup or pancake syrup with pumpkin spice syrup until the season of pumpkins lasts. For days when you crave a cup of pumpkin spice latte, you should be able to whip up a Starbucks style in no minutes. And if this video was worth a watch, you might like to know what I made with the pumpkin seeds, milk and bread. Here they are. And until next time, see you later and stay safe.